Right. Good afternoon. Right. So in last class we have completed up to starts with ends with method. Mm. And also we discussed about substring method. Okay. And index of method, substring method, contains method, all combinations we have learned. Now there is a small question. Okay, there is a small question. Look at here. Contains method implicitly using index of method only, na? Did you get my point? Contains method implicitly using index of. Look at there, F3, open source code. Contains method is not having any logic. It is reusing the logic available in index of method, right? It is using the logic available in index of method. Then my question is, if you call contains method 2 times, if you call contains method index of method 2 times, then what happened? 2 times logic executing. Is it a performance issue? So what I wanted to write the code, I want write like this. First I'm calling index of method of array. Then I'll call start not equal to -1. Okay, start not equal to -1. Then now tell me how many times you are calling index of method? Only one time. So try to remember. If you wanted to just to know whether available or not, then you use contains of method. If you wanted to know available or not, if available, further you wanted to do retrieve operations. If further you wanted to perform retrieve operations, better directly use index of method, avoid content, avoid contains method. So that what happened? Now only one time executed, execution will be fast. Is it clear? No, sir, it is not understandable. I want to use this one only. Okay, I don't mind just to know one time execution, and you can write like this, your wish. Depending on your project coding standards. Depending on your project coding standards, you can write the code. So I am showing both as per coding standards. If you want more meaningful, write contents following by index of. No, I want performance. I need to take care means you can write the code. Okay. What do you write? So contains method don't use. Call index of method one time. Use start not equal to -1 option. So whichever the code is suitable to your project development, that you can use. That's it. Okay. So in last class, we have completed retrieving substring, retrieving one character from the given index. Retrieving operations we learn. Okay. Now, next story. Now I am going to discuss about 16th operation. Very important. You know, many times in the project, we will get a big string. Now this big string, we need to make into parts, small tokens. Okay, we need to make it small tokens. For example, now we are going to collect names of one company, many names coming as a single string. How it will come? Double quotes, Hari, comma separator, Balaya, comma separator, Pavan Kalyan, comma separator, comma separator. Okay, like that, so many names are coming. Is it clear? Now I want to make all these names as individual names. Names are coming with a comma separator. I wanted to separate them into individual names. Hari one name, Balaya one name, Pawan Kalyan one name. I want to separate them. Okay. So in order to separate them, what I need to do, I have to use an operation called splitting. I want to split the string. This is a big string. I want to split the string into tokens. Right. For that, we have an operation splitting. Splitting string into tokens. Okay. How can for that I have a method. For the method name public. Tell me, when you split the string into tokens, how many tokens will come? One string. Hari as a one string. Next, Balaya as a one string. Pawan Kalyan as a one string. Like that, they are going to get separate string. So all these strings are written by the method called what? Split. Okay. Then split method will divide the complete string into tokens and returning all the tokens. Tell me, multiple strings means string array, na? So return type of this method is what? String array. So then split method is ready to split the string into tokens. On what basis? On what basis? You have to pass the argument string delimiter. What is right? String delimiter, delimiter. On what character you want to divide? On comma you wanted to divide. Now this comma is called delimiter. Is it clear? Okay, this comma is called delimiter. Okay, now tell me, I wanted to work with this string. Let me take the same string, go to here, and now I'm going to write here string. Yes, 28. 29, 30, 31 equal to. Now I wanted to divide the string into tokens. S1 dot. The method is what? Split. Okay, string split off. Look at the parameter name. Look at the parameter name regex. Regex stands for regular expression. Remember it. Remember it. I will come to that point. Okay, regular expression. Split off. You want to split by which separator, comma, semicolon. Then split method will go to S31 pointing string, searching for comma. Comma, no, comma, no, comma, no, comma, no, comma, yes. Then it will take Hari and create in array object, place in array object, comma is not there, comma removed. So this is one string. Okay, then it will continue. Comma, no, comma, 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 until comma found. It will keep on reading characters and take all characters as one string, place as a substring, place as a one string in this array, double quotes. Background, it creates one array object, Balaya. Okay, then next, this comma is removed and remaining text will be taken as token, checking for comma, 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 not there. Then taking that string, comma, and place one more as a separate string. So background, what split method will do? Split method creates one string array object. Split method background create one string array object and then started searching for the character, given delimiter character, comma. Wherever comma is found, before all characters will be taken as a one string and placed as a one string in the string array. And the remaining string will be taken as a result string to divide. Then it started tokenizing, again comma found, comma delimiter. Delimiter right left side available all characters will be taken as one string, place in array. Remaining text will be taken as a result string to tokenize further. And now it returns finally, it returns all these tokens as one string array object. String array SA1 equal to. Everyone understand? Then now, if you want to retrieve the names, okay, if you want to verify how many strings are there inside, you can write sopln sa1 dot length variable or length method. sa1 dot length variable or method. Variable I must use. Then how many tokens will come? 3 tokens will come. Okay, let me comment above text, above code. Let me comment above code. Control F11. Look at there, how many tokens came? 3 tokens. So then following by, I wanted to see those tokens. You have 2 options. Either you can write for loop or you can use predefined code. In java.util package, we have a class called arrays. This class arrays contain a method called toString method. ToString of, you can pass array sa1. Okay, then it will display all the characters available, all the tokens available in that array. Look at there, Hari 1 token, Balia 1 token, Pawan Kalyan 1 token coming. Okay, now I wanted to write something like this. String array sa2 equal to sa2 equal to sa31 dot. I want to split the string by the character a, double quotes a. Then now how many tokens will come? Please try to verify yourself and tell me. How many tokens will come? You only count and tell me. You only split count and tell me. So now S31, this string wanted to split by A. Then how to call now? Tell me. Now you have to start search for the character. First character H A, then H R I comma B 2, L 3, YY 4, comma P 5, V 6, NK 7, LY 8, last N 9. Totally 9 tokens we will get. I need to change the names. I forgot to change. Or else we'll do one thing. Let me take same variable. Huh? Why unnecessary? Every time I need to modify code, I can reassign. Old array I'm assigning with new array. Okay. Control F11. Look at their array. You are getting error SA1. Control F11. Now look at there. I'm getting 9 tokens. These are the tokens coming. So this comma coming from where coming, sir? Array. This comma is okay. Array comma. Array will be elements will be separated by comma, na? Okay, you are confusing, na? Let us do one thing. Here, Balaya, all these things I will take it as a, let's say, R. Okay, I'm separating by R. Okay, na? Separating by comma place R I am taking, so that you don't have confusion. Then here also given R. R is having meaning. Okay, I thought of the same. Let me take semicolon. Huh? Let me take semicolon as separator. Okay, R is having meaning. I'll tell you that later. Now look at there. So first with a semicolon I have taken separator. Then this comma is okay. Still semicolons, confusion. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, that semicolon. This here in the comma, output comma we are getting. It is a array object elements comma separator. And next 9. Look at there. Ri semicolon B, LAYY semicolon P, P NK LY. Okay, these are the 9 tokens. Okay, fine. Then now let me move to the next point. Up to now, understand split method functionality? Understand? If you understand split method, then I can torture you. I wanted to torture you a little bit more. Okay, ready? Now let me ask you a question. SA1 equal to S31 dot split of, I want to divide it by H. Okay, I'll do one thing. Divide by A. First, I want to split by A. How many tokens will come? What are those tokens? Split method searching for A character in the S31. In S31, do you have any capital A anywhere? There is no capital A. Then this string is divided into tokens? No. Complete token, okay? So complete token will be giving you as, complete token is giving you as one token. Look at there. Complete token, you are going to get as one token. Complete token, complete string is coming as one token. Is it clear? Next, that is the important point. Okay, that is the important point, first point. Now, what the first point you need to understand? If character is not matched, complete string written as one token. Next case, I'm writing SA1 equal to S31 dot split of, I am giving complete text. Complete text as a token. Then how many tokens will come? The given text is matched with complete string. That means, are there any tokens or no tokens? Try to understand the point. Split method is not that much easy. You need to pay attention. Complete text become the complete text become delimiter. So now there is no right side or left side tokens are not there na. When you call split of semicolon, is a semicolon included? When you call split of A, is A included as a delimiter? Matched character is not added na. A before characters will become as a token. Semicolon before characters are coming as a token. Now you have given complete text. The complete text before, do you have any characters? No. Left side no characters, right side also no characters. Then what will happen? Bolo, what will happen? There is no tokens to return. There is no tokens to return. Then what will you get? 0 tokens. 0 tokens array is empty. So you will get 0 here and you will get empty string. Everyone understand? 0 empty. So what the second point? If the given okay. So if the given delimiter is equals to complete string, it returns 0 tokens array. Okay, fine. Now let me try to understand next case. SA1 equal to, I'm taking another new string here. Okay, let me take SA1 dot split of, sorry, not SA1, S30, S, S31 dot split of I'm giving double quotes H. I given double quote H. Then how many tokens will come? Double quotes H. Double quotes H. How many tokens will come? Double quotes H. How many tokens will come? Okay. Very good. Wonderful. Marvelous. Super. Pumper. Are Jaideep, Divya telling 0. Supriya telling 0. Are yaar. H there na? Then why 0? You given a delimiter what? H. H delimiter is available, right? How many tokens will come? 2 tokens will come. 2 tokens will come. Amma, how 2 tokens are coming? How 2 tokens are coming? Tell me, how 2 tokens are coming? Hey, H is the delimiter, right? H is the delimiter. What the meaning of token? Delimiter right side, delimiter left side. Available characters are considered as a tokens. Okay, H left side token, H left side characters there are not there are not there. Then immediately split method will see right side. Right side, are there any more tokens? Yes. The given delimiter left side token is not there, but right side tokens are there. Okay, in that case, for left side token, it includes empty string. It includes empty string. It is a very important point you need to consider for written test exam point of view on split method. Okay, when you take a delimiter, delimiter right side tokens are not there, but sorry, delimiter left side tokens are not there, but right side tokens are there. Then as a delimiter, as a token, empty string will be added, and then remaining right side token as it is added. So this is the very important point you need to remember. I hope it's clear. Okay. Now I'm going to write something else. Observe. String. Okay. Yes, 31 equal to, I'm writing double quotes. I'll give one more statement and I'll come. Right. SA1 equal to S31 dot split of double quotes N. Double quotes N. Okay, double quotes N. I'm asking you split by N character. Okay, what the point here? If left tokens, left token is not there, but right token is there. Empty string is added as token. Okay, then tell me. Now I am giving N. I'm giving N. Then tell me how many tokens will come. Let's go and check. N, 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 N. N, 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 N. Yes, one token, and N will be removed from here. Okay, and Kalya is a second. Okay, now for this N, there is no right token. If a right token is not there, empty string is added. If a right token is not there, there is no character to process. Okay. If left token is not there, then only empty string is added. If right token is not there, empty string is not added. Just ignore. Already understand? This is a confusion point. So now delimiter is every time removed. Then remaining text is this. This is need to process. Up to here, text, and this is character. Do you have anything to process? Nothing. So left. Then how many tokens will come? 2 tokens only will come. Okay. What I have written here. Yeah. 2 tokens only coming. 2. Look at there. Hari Balaya semicolon Pava. Okay. So this is a 1 token. And then Kalya is another token. That's it. I hope you understand. So left token is not there. Then empty string is added. Right token is not there. Empty string is not added. Just it ignores. Okay, fine. Now I wanted to see whether you really understand or not. So I'm writing S31 equal to double quotes ABC, ABC, BBC, CBC. Okay, let me write ABC, ABC, ABC. Okay, ABC, ABC, ABC. I have written. Now, try to think now. I'm writing SA1 dot length. Sorry. Then I'm writing SA1 equal to S31 dot split of double quotes A I have given. Count totally how many tokens are there. How many tokens will come? Let me also count. A. First character is A. Right side token is there, left side token is not there. So one empty string will be added. 1 BC space 2 BC space 3 BC 4. 4 tokens will come. Empty string BC space BC space BC. Okay, I hope everyone comfortable. Now I am giving here now S31 dot split of C I am giving. How many tokens will come? C I have given. How many tokens will come? 3 tokens will come. AB space AB space AB. That's it. Okay. Now I am trying to give here ABC. How many tokens will come? I given ABC. How many tokens will come? ABC. How many tokens will come? Some people are telling 2 tokens. Some people are telling 4 tokens. Some people are telling 1 token. 3 tokens will come. What are the 3 tokens? Empty string, space, space. 3 tokens will come. Okay, empty string, space string, space string. Okay. If I give here, now last but one test case. Last but one test case. If I give a space ABC, how many tokens will come? Space ABC. Is it space ABC? No. Is it space ABC? Yes. 1. Next. 1 token, 2 token, 3 tokens. Okay, wonderful. Many people are telling 2 tokens. Wrong answer. It is a one token only. How one token? How one token? Array, I already given a clue. You people are using your brain. Don't use your brain. This is left token removed. And this is a token. This is a delimiter removed. The remaining space ABC is itself is a delimiter, na? Right? When the remaining text is itself is a delimiter, what I told you, 0 tokens included, na? Right? 0 tokens included, right? So what will you get now? One token only. Is it clear? If I write here BBC, how many tokens will come? Now 3 tokens will come. Not 2, 3 tokens will come now. 3 tokens will come now. Why 3 tokens will come? Why 3 tokens will come? Space ABC started checking from here. It is not space ABC. This is left token 1 and delimiter removed. This is a remaining string. This remaining string should process. Now this is a delimiter. Delimiter, right side token is there, left side token is not there. Okay, for left side token, empty string added and space BBC added as a right side token. So totally 3 will come. 3 ABC, empty string, space BBC. Okay, na? All people understand the split method? Any doubts? Line number 273, right, you missed. Line number 273, what I missed? Achha. Okay. Is it clear? Space as a token, space as a delimiter. Delimiter, right? You can use any character you can use as a delimiter. You can use any character as a delimiter. And now I use space. Then how many tokens will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tokens. You can use anything, no problem. Up to now, okay, na? Shall I? Shall I move to the next case? Empty string as a token, all you understand? Still anybody doubts? Still anybody have doubts? S31 equal to double quotes A semicolon SA1 equal to S31 dot split of double quotes A. Now tell me, how many tokens will come here? People are counting so many numbers. Slab. You are a wonderful, talented people. Hmm? You are the great, wonderful, talented people. Arey, why you are showing your talent, Rabhu? A is the delimiter. Now matching to A. Then matching to A. 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 Do you have at least one left token, one right token? No. Then what happened? All are delimiters. All are removed. Then what is remaining? Empty. Then what will you get? Empty string you will get. If all characters are matched to given token, if all characters are matched to given delimiter, what I told you, you will get empty string. I told you, na? No need to write, 7 times or 8 times A. One time A you write also, it's matched to all. This is another tricky point. Okay, na? Everyone got clarity? Yeah? Split method, can I hope all you understood? Split method, can I expect all you understood split method? Really? Do you understand when a left token will come? If there is a right token but no left token, then you will get where is empty string, Rahul? When empty string will be included? If there is any right token. This is a delimiter. Delimiter left token is not there. Right token is delimiter, ignored. Right token is delimiter, ignored, 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 ignored. There is no right token. Then why we need left token? Not required. Now I am writing B here. Now I am writing here B. Now how many tokens will come? So eight tokens coming. Why 8 tokens are coming? Now this A ignored. Now right side token is there to be processed, but left side token is there, not there. One empty string added. Now this A removed. Right side token there to process, but left side token is not there. Again empty string. And then now this A removed. Left side token is not there, right side token is there. Empty string added. Like that for each A, empty string added. Last B is included. Correct. So totally how many tokens came now? 8 tokens came. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 empty spaces. I mean empty strings. And last B, 8th one. Okay. So you need to practice. We need to practice. So split method, you need to play very much. Split method, you need to play very much. Okay, now completed empty string related story. Now I'm taking you to the next story. Try to carefully observe. Yes, the T1 equal to, I am writing double quotes, abc.txt. abc.txt. Okay. Now, I am splitting it by dot. How many tokens will come? Come on. How many tokens will come? Wonderful, marvelous, excellent, super. 0 tokens will come. Hey, how 0 tokens coming, Ravi? Come on. Why you got 0? Then sir, dot I have given. Okay. So dot means, you know, two tokens. Now left side ABC, right side TXT. Two tokens will come now, sir. Why zero coming? Okay. Look at this. Split method is, what is the parameter? Regex. Regex means regular expression. What is a regular expression? Regular expression is a, okay, regular expression is a special string that has special meaning to the background API. Are you catching my point? Regex is a special string. It has the characters having some special meaning. Whatever the characters you have taken here, A, okay, ABC and ABCC, these characters are not having any meaning to regular expression text. Okay, now split method will consider all these are normal characters, not as a regex characters, but there is a list of characters are there. Among them, dot is a special character which consider regex. This dot representing each character is a delimiter. All are catching my point? It consider each character is considered as a delimiter. Dot means each character. In this S31, consider each character is a delimiter. When each character is a delimiter, then there is no other characters. Hence, we are getting what? 0. Right. Dot is considered as what? Every character. A is a delimiter, B is a delimiter, C is a delimiter. Nothing but, instead of writing complete abc.txt, instead of completely considering abc.txt, writing abc.txt, you just need to write single character dot. It's enough. Are catching my point? So dot means what? Every character. That's why you are getting 0. Already we tested these points with a complete text. Here we given Hari Balaya Pawan Kalyan complete text we have given here, right? We are given complete text, we got a 0. And I have given a. Okay, all characters are a, given single a, then representing all characters. All are catching my point? then now finally you got here abc.txt, right? So if you want to represent all characters, then you can use what? Dot. That's it. Now, no sir, I want to tell to split method. Okay, I wanted to tell to the split method. Please consider a dot as a what do you call dot as a character. On a dot, you must what do you call split. Then in that case, now you need to write what? Yes, the T1 dot split of. Okay, what you need to write? // Okay, whenever you wanted to tell to split method, please don't consider dot as a what you call a regular expression character. Then you have to use what? // Is it clear? Then now dot will be considered as a normal character like ABC. Control F11. Look at there. We are getting ABC TXT. Okay, na? So again repeating, split method parameter type is what you need to understand. Split method doesn't consider given character as a normal string. It consider as a regular expression string. Okay, splits this string around the matches of the given regular expression. Prabhuji, catch this point? What the description given? Splits this string around matches of the given regular expression. Okay, now what is a regular expression? Click on it. You can see that regular expression related. Summary of regular expression constructs. How can I create a regular expression? X means the character X. What we have written here, I have written A, just A. Now this method will split on the character A. Okay, the next // the backslash character. Okay, it will it will split the string on // okay, backslash character it will split. Okay, right. And next like this /0n/0nn just /0mn Like this, if you write some characters, they are working on that matching characters. For example, I want to split the string by A, B, C characters. If a string I want to split by A, B, C characters, not by the word A, B, C. Try to understand. Let me go back here. I'm going to write what here, what I have written here, A, B, C I have written. Right? Now, this text is divided by which word? A, B, C. No, I don't want to divide by A, B, C. I want to divide by A character, divide by B character, divide by C character. I should tell to split method, please consider these each character as a regular expression character. If you want to remove the meaning of regular expression, you should write what? Slash slash. If you want to provide the meaning as a regular expression, you must place inside square bracket. Ebuji, understand? Now let me try to show you the test case. Now let me show you the test case. Now I'm going to write yes 31 equal to double quotes. I'm writing A1 B2 C3 4 5 D 5 5 completed and 7 8 I have given. Oh, if you give like this you may get confused. Okay, let me write up to here enough unnecessary confusion. Okay, A1 B2 3C. Okay, I have given text like this. Okay, then next I'm writing SA1 equal to S31 dot split off. Now what are you going to write here? Double quotes. If I write B, okay, if I write A, B, C, if I write, then tell me what happened. Now it is searching for ABC word. ABC word is there or not? Not there. Then what it will do? It will split the string, will not split the string, complete string it will give. I want to tell to the what you call the split method. A split method, I am not giving you ABC as a word. I am giving you ABC characters to match. ABC characters to match in a single double quotes. Then in that case, you need to write start bracket, end bracket. This is called what? This is called what? This is called what? Character classes. You are grouping character classes. Okay, character classes, you are grouping them. Now, in this case, what it will consider? A as a matched character, B as a matched character, C as a matched character, it will consider. Then now, finally, control F11. Look at there, what you're getting now? 1, 2, 3. Why you are getting empty string? Because before A, there is no left token. We have only right tokens are the left token is not there. Okay, now tell me, I want you prepare the regular expression to represent digits. If I write here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If I write 1, 2, 3, then what happened? Tell me. If I write 1, 2, 3, what happened? Tell me. If I write 1, 2, 3, it is searching for 1, 2, 3 as a delimiter. 1, 2, 3 delimiter available anywhere? No. Enter string will written as a 1 token. Look at here. Enter string will written as a 1 token. Is it clear? Enter string is written as a 1 token. Okay. Now I want to tell to split method. For a split method, I want you divide the string by 1, split the string by 2, split the string by 3. In that case, what should I write? Come on, what I should write? I should create them as a class, bracket, bracket. Then control F11. Then what answer we are getting now? ABC. Why we got 4 here? Why we got 3 here? Because before 1, there is a delimiter called A. That's why. Before A, there is no text. That's why empty string included. Before 1, there is no text. Clear? Is it clear now? Regular expression, understand? Regular expression. Split method will take your string. First, consider your string as a regular expression. It is verifying your given character have the meaning as a regular expression, will have the meaning as a normal character. If it is a normal character, then use that character as delimiter, search for that character. If your character is having the meaning as a regular expression, then it will consider the meaning, and meaning matching characters will be used as a delimiter and it will split. Okay, now let me try to ask you a question. Listen carefully. I don't know what characters are available here. Maybe, okay, let me take here AD, A1, D2, C3. Now if I write here ABC, then it is working on which characters? On A, on B, on C only. Other than ABC, any character is there, it will not split. Now here I have D. On a D, it is split or not split? It will not split. Look at there. 1D2 coming na? 1D2 coming, right? On D, it is not split. Next. Now here I am giving something called, let's say 4 I am giving. Okay, let's say E4 I am giving. E4 I am giving. Then now what will get? E4, 3 E4 will come as a 1 token. Next, if you take 1, 2, 3, now if you give 1, 2, 3 here, then what happen? It will split the string on 1, on 2, on 3. That's it. On 1, on 2, on 3 only it will split. Clear my point? Then now A, okay, now look at there. 1 split on 1, split on 2, and split on 3. On 4 it's splitting or not splitting? Not splitting. Then what will you get now here? E4. Control F11. Look at the E4 coming as it is. No, I cannot look into the string. How many alphabets are there? How many digits are there? I cannot write A to Z here. I cannot write 1 to 9 here, right? Then for that we have another syntax. What is another syntax? SA1 equal to S31 dot split of in square bracket, double quotes, double quotes, double quotes, in square bracket. What you write? A hyphen Z. Okay, A hyphen Z. A hyphen Z you write. Then observe now, copy paste. A to Z, any letter coming in the S31 string, then it will be split. Is it clear? This is a complete letters, complete alphabet class. Control F11. Look at now, 5 tokens coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, D, everything is delimited. Everything is split. 1, 2, 3, 4, E. G, all you understand the point? Now, same way, I wanted to divide that string by digits. Then what you write now? 1 to 9, 0 to 9. If you write 1 to 9, if 0 is there, it will not delimit. You should write what? 0 to 9. 0 to 9. Control F11. Look at there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is split. I hope you understand regular expression pattern. Sir, I wanted to delimit based on some range of characters, sir. In that case, how to write? Now you can start doing R&D by looking here. Okay. So how can we, what characters you want? Okay. Just you go through this, regular expression. This is a predefined our Java class. Okay. Now predefined Java class. Class name is what? Pattern. Predefined Java class pattern. Just you go to split method parameter. Okay, go to split method documentation. Split method documentation, you have regular expression. Click on this, then you will get the regular expression pattern class. In the pattern class, everything clearly explained to you. So I hope you can work on it, right? Okay, you can work on it. So the remaining thing you have to test yourself. And more details you can learn in a regular expression chapter. At this minute, just you need to understand little bit knowledge. What is regular expression? Just basic idea. Split method is using regular expression syntax. So basic idea, that's it. Complete knowledge you will get in a regular expression chapter. There you will understand. So can I hope all you got clarity on split method functionality? One last case. SA1 equal to S31 dot split of Look at here, I am writing double quotes, double quotes. Okay, SA1 equal to S31 dot split of double quotes, double quotes. Then tell me, what the meaning of this? It is a empty string. Do you have any empty string? Let me write S31 equal to double quotes ABC. Simply I taken double quotes ABC. Now tell me now what you are going to get. Come on, tell me. What will get? This is empty string. Empty string is available here or not available? Empty string available or not available? Come on, come on. Empty string is available there. You are getting 3 tokens. Sir, where is empty string, sir? Empty. Empty. Between A and B, empty. Between B and C, empty. Hello? All you understand? Between A and B, empty. Between B and C, empty. Right? Between you and your friend in the classroom, empty space there, na? Empty space there, na? Right? Empty space is there, na? Before A, empty is not there. Before A, what is there? That is starting point only, na? Before A, empty will not be there. Between two characters, empty string will be there. Okay, split method is that much torture method, okay? All answers are wrong. That much torture method is split method. Then slowly by practicing, everything understood. Slash is no meaning, I guess. Backslash has a meaning. Okay, let me check. Now I'm writing slash. It's a normal character. There is no slash. So now it's getting ABC as a token. How 3 is coming again? Empty string. Empty string. Empty string. A is a normal. Then after A, empty string is there. A is coming as a 1 token. B, after B, empty string. B is coming as a 1 token. C is coming as a 3rd token. Total 3 tokens. Rohit Kumar, understand? There is no meaning to slash. It's a normal character. It's a normal character. There is no meaning to space. There is a meaning to backslash. There is a meaning to backslash. Backslash, backslash. Then it will divide by backslash. There is no backslash. So we are getting some exception. Regex pattern, syntax error, unexpected, internal. Okay, after slash, some character must be there. Dot something, single quote, double quote, something must be there. Okay, after slash, some character must be there. If not there, then it is throwing error. Clear? Okay, so now I'm not going to talk more. If I'm talking more, you will forget all the points I have given. And now let us try to list out all the points. What the points we discussed in a split method? First point, it's a parameter is regex. Okay, if the given parameter is regex, if the given argument if the given argument string has special meaning in regex, as per regex, the string, the current string will be split with the matched characters with the matched characters. For example, dot, all characters are considered as dot, all characters are considered as delimiter. Finally we will get what? Empty string. Next, if you write double quotes bracket ABC, string is split by the characters A, comma B and C. Okay. If you write A to Z, string is split by the character by any letter. Okay, split by any letter. Next, third point. If the given argument string doesn't have any special meaning, the current string will be split by the given character itself. Okay, for example, if we give double quotes A, what do you call a string is split by the letter A. Okay, now the next fourth point. If the given string is completely equal to the given argument is a completely equal to what? Okay, if given string is completely equal to current string, then empty string will be empty. Don't say empty string, empty array will be written with 0 tokens, right? Fifth point. If a given argument string is not matched with any character or word, is not matched with any character in current string will be written as one token. Okay, current string will be written as one token. Is it clear? Any more points we discussed? Any more points we discussed? If, okay, for the given argument string, left token is not found, but Right token is found as a left token. It includes empty string. Okay. Seventh important point. If you pass empty string double quotes as delimiter, what happened? Each character will be written as a token. Okay, these are the 7 points are there around split method. And most important point, 8th point, split method is available from JDK 1.4 version onwards. Then before 1.4, how did you split? Before JDK 1.4, we use string tokenizer class. Okay, we use string tokenizer class. If you want to treat a regular expression character as normal character, we must prefix // we must prefix // okay, as double quotes / dot. It is considered as dot only. Next, if you want to treat normal character as regex, we must place in square bracket as square bracket ABC. Okay. Subhanshu Gautam already told you what the purpose of split method. Okay, sometimes in the file I have data, huge amount of data I have with some like this. I have multiple employee names in the file. I want to take each file name. You know servlets? In servlets, you will have the URL na, https:// localhost colon 8080 or 9090 / login servlet colon USN equal to HK, okay, and PWD equal to okay, PWD equal to what do you call NIT. Okay, this is the URL I have. Then tell me, when you send the request to the servlet, this is a get request na, When you send the request like this, then what happened? Now servlet program background must take, these are the inputs na request parameters. These values must be stored in the what do you call, these values must be stored in the servlet request. This is URL and these are the inputs to the servlet. How they can be separated? By using split method. Split method is called by using, by passing question mark. By question mark, two tokens are coming. This is a one token and this is another token. Two tokens are coming. Then on second token, again we call split method on what? And. Now it is divided into two tokens. Username equal to HK, password equal to NIT. Is it clear? Then again on each token, again split method is called by equal to. Is it clear? So that you got name and value separately, name and value separately. So totally split method executed on this. Okay, you people can try. Okay, you people can try servlet internal code. How servlet internal code is working. This is the servlet internal code. You can try like this: string URL equal to semicolon. Okay. Now you people split and display on the console USN, HK, password, NIT, each one separately. You write the code. This is assignment to you. Okay. So now you divide the string. Okay. Divide the string. Divide this token and retrieve and display. From this string, retrieve and display USN, HK and PWD, NIT separately. So that is the assignment. Split method you can work. Okay. Got clarity, everyone? Okay. Split method, any doubts? Still, if you have any doubts, please ask. I'm ready to explain. Equal to, or some string 32 equal to. Right. What the meaning of this statement, Nana? Srikanth? What the meaning of this line? What is your intention? What do you want to display? Here, what you need to understand. You want to display Java course in single quote or Java course in double quote, right? You want to display S out, S32. Now what you need to write? Now complete string, let me take first in double quotes. Okay, complete string I taken in double quotes. Then what you want? You want to display welcome to Naresh IT. Welcome to Naresh IT Java course. For that purpose, what you want? You want to place double quotes. Okay, then here also you place double quotes. But double quotes having the meaning in the double quotes. Now this is not, this become end. I want to tell to compiler, this is not end. This is also a normal character like W. In that case, you write what? Slash. Slash double quotes. Then go here, slash double quotes. That's all. Now it is not considered as a start and a double quotes. They consider as a normal text. Okay, control F11. Welcome to Naresh IT Java course. So this is called as escape sequence character. This slash is called as escape sequence character. Is it clear? If you want to remove some special operation, okay, if you want to remove some special meaning of the character in double quote or in single quote, then you must add what? Slash. Okay, right, slash double quote. Welcome to Naresh IT. Now you want to place Java course in single quote. Inside the double quote, single quote directly you can place, not required of any slash, because it's a normal character for it. Okay, control F11. Welcome to Naresh IT Java course. Srikanth, understand? These the stories initial days of our class only. Okay. Now the split method related all points I am sharing you. Please correct. Fifth point onwards again I will share. Okay. Shall we go to the next topic? Split method. Can I hope all you understand? Okay. I'll give you one small test case. A project. I want you to develop the code for it. On split method, I want you to write the project. Now only. Not after going to home. I know you will not work at home. Please try to write code. Yesterday we completed up to project number 21, project number 22. Right on. Develop a project to reverse words in the given string. This is the compulsory asking question on split method functionality. Develop a program, develop a project to reverse words in the given string. All the people need to develop this code now only. Now only. It's take maximum 5 minutes, nothing more. Develop a project to reverse the words in the given string. How are you? You take the string and you need to display output. You are how? Come on, die. Try to develop. 5 minutes. I'm giving 5 minutes time. Try to develop. Whenever you are planning to write the code, first you should have the project design. Okay, code design, algorithm you should have in your mind so that writing code is easy. Now first you are taking a string object. You know, if you first design the code, first you write the algorithm, you never write wrong code. You know, I did one mistake in my company. One day my CEO, my CEO is my manager. Okay, so he has given one assignment to me. I mean, one task to me. Then he working in US now. He is there in US. So I am daytime. I'm working morning, early morning. Okay, by 9 o'clock I went to office. He was waiting for me. Then at 9 o'clock he assigned the work to me and he left. Then I need to complete it. By evening 6 o'clock, he pinged me and asking, "Hari, test cases ready?" I shocked. How test cases can be ready without writing code? No, no, sir. Okay, actually in the company we should not call sir. We should call by the name. Okay, his name is Srikanth. Okay, Srinath. Sorry, Srinath. My CEO name is Srinath. Sorry, Srinath, it's not completed. I'm still working on the code. He got angry and he told, "Who asked you to develop code? I told you prepare the test cases. Why you develop the code?" I shocked. I repeated again. Without writing code, how can you prepare test cases? Come on, Hari. First, you need to prepare test cases. According to the test cases, you need to write the code. Should not write the code directly. If you write the code directly, you will develop wrong code, wrong flow. First, you need to prepare test cases. First, you need to prepare algorithm. Okay. Now this input is coming. For this input, this is the way you have to write the validation. If this validation failed, then this is the message to display. If this validation pass, next this is the validation you have to do. Like that, you need to prepare algorithm and test cases. Oh, like that. Okay. Then that day onwards, I changed my way of writing the code. Okay. Do you realized? Did you realize how to write the code? Either small program or big project code, anything. First, you need to prepare test cases, algorithm prepare. From algorithm, you prepare test cases. Then you have to go for coding so that perfect program you will write, fast execution code, without any error executing code you will write. Okay. First, you need to have an idea. What do you write? Double quotes. How? How are you? How are you? So this is the string. Okay, this is the string. Now this is string. Now this is string I want to split. So what you need to call split method. When split method is called, split method is returning us an array. Right? Which array? String array object. Okay. Returning as what? String array object. String array object internally contain number of locations. Na? How many locations will come? Now you need to divide. You need to reverse the words. You need to reverse the words. To reverse, sorry. You need to reverse the words. To reverse the words, first of all, you have to divide into words. Na? You are calling what? That string s1 dot split of s1 dot split of double quotes space double quote. Yes or no? S1 dot split of double quotes space double quote. Now tell me, when you call this split method, then based on the given spaces, it split the string and creates what? New array object with how many words? 3 words. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. And then here, now first string double quotes how will come? Okay, double quotes how will come? Second string double quotes R will come. Third string double quotes U will come. Okay, double quotes U will come. So this is how 3 strings are coming. Further, this reference we are storing in our variable SA. SA, or you can take this name as what? Words. Are you catching my point? You are taking as words. And here you are storing the reference 2020 point. What next you need to do? You need to read the words from this array. Simple, right? And prepare one new string object s2. Prepare one new string object s2. And in this string, you need to copy. Now you need to copy the words from that array to string object. This is string object. Okay, and here you need to write double quotes. Last word you should read U question mark space, second word R, third word how, double quotes. Okay, finally you have to prepare the string once again by yourself. 30 30 30 30 30 30 you place in yes. So first step, read the string from the keyboard. Second step, split the string by words, means by space. Fourth step, then read a last index to first index and arrange, place all the words in another string object. That's it. So if you write the code like this, then the word will be reversed. Okay, the words in the string will be reversed. It's a simple code. Okay. Everyone got clarity algorithm? This is algorithm you have to prepare. Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will write the code for it because it's already 3:50. Advanced Java students are waiting. Okay, this link will be working on Advanced Java only. Na? Advanced Java students are waiting. So I have to stop the class now. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue this code. And by today we completed all operations related to string completed. Okay, string operations completed. And then tomorrow class is very dangerous class. Very important class. All are catching my point? Right? So tomorrow class is very important class. Tomorrow onwards we are discussing more important points related to written test exam. Okay, string modifications. What the string modifications? Concat, replace, two lowercase, two uppercase. Okay, split is very important confusion, and tomorrow class is more confusion. So come to the class with active brain. Clear? So thank you. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to discuss remaining section points. Okay, bye. That's all for the day. See you tomorrow.